Alright, I'm going to bed.
Mommy, wait.
Do you want to come with Mommy or you want to stay here?
Take me shoot. Take me nap, Mom.
I am going to take a nap. Do you want to come upstairs with me or you want to stay down here? Alright, bye.
Mommy, wait.
What?
I got something.
Well, what do you want to tell me? Are you going to sleep with Mommy? You going to go lay down? Missy, you going to come upstairs?
Okay, Daddy.
Okay, bye.
Okay, Mommy.
Alright, and then we go to bed? Alright, I gotta go. You coming? Alright, see ya.
Wait, I got something.
What are you gonna tell me? You gonna sing Barney for me?
I love you, you love me, happy family. Ow.
It hurt your throat? With a great big hug? Hurt your throat? Well, don't do that anymore.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Don't be sorry. You're alright.
Mom, Mom, Mom,
You ready to go to bed?
Mom, Mom.
Hey, Mace.
I'm tired.
Sleep, yeah.
I'm going to sleep with.
You're gonna sleep like
I'm tired. I'm going to sleep with her.
Okay, you don't want to go to bed?
Night.
Night.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you. Love you.
Wait, I got something.
What are you gonna tell me?
Bye-bye, Mom.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
See ya. I love you.
Bye-bye, Mom.
Okay, bye.
Honey, I got something.
What do you want to tell me?
Go upstairs, Mom.
I am gonna go upstairs. Are you gonna come upstairs with me?
Go sleep with me. Here.
You're gonna go to sleep here? Come on, babies. Let's go. Macy, let's go.
I'm sleeping.
Where are you gonna sleep at?
I sleep with her.
You're gonna sleep on the couch?
I sleep couch.
Why don't you come to bed with Mommy?
I sleep bed with her. I sleep couch with her.
I love you. Alright, see ya.
Wait, I got something.
Alright, you tell me something, but I gotta go to bed.
I got something, Mom.
Alright, good night.
I got something.
Say good night.
Good night.
Love you.
Love you, Mommy.
Sing Barney.
I love you. You love me. Happy family. Ow. Ow, Mommy.
That hurts?
It hurts.
Okay.